Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to sell editable Canva templates on Shopify. So let's get started. So before we get started, here are some examples of templates that are being sold using Canva. As you can see, this one is made with Canva and so are more products. And this is what yours will look like once you're done with it. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is head over to Canva. Once you're here, pick something that you want to make. I recommend having a niche beforehand just so you're ready. But for this example, I'm going to be heading to social media and Facebook. And I'm going to be making a Facebook ad as an example. So let's just click on that. Let's wait for it to load. Alright, once your design has been created, you can choose any of these templates in the left hand side. There's plenty to choose from. I'm going to choose this one as an example. So you just want to click on it. Once you've got your template, you can now start editing it. You can change pretty much anything that's within the template, the picture, the title, the description. But after you're done with that, you can go ahead and click Add Page, and this will add another page, and you can go back to the left hand side and pick another template that you want to use. Again, there's plenty to choose from. I'm just going to use this one. Then you're going to start editing it, of course. And once you're done with that, then you can go ahead and click share in the top right corner. Now click the collaboration link drop-down menu and make sure it is set to anyone with the link. Now hit copy link and head over to Shopify. Alright, once you're here, click on products, then click add product. First thing you want to do is click on title. You want to add a title to your product. I'm just going to put example template, and after that, we can now write a description for our product. After that, we can head over to media and click upload new so we can upload a cover image for our product. But since I don't have one, I'm just going to use the one from the example I showed you earlier. So I'm just going to download this. Now let's upload it. Find your file here, click on it, and then click open. Once you have your cover image, you can go down here and we can set the price for our item. I'm just going to write 15 as an example. So now let's head over to track quantity. This is basically your stock, so you're gonna put how much of these templates you have. I'm just going to put 50 as an example. Now head over to shipping and make sure you uncheck this option right here, since this is a digital product. After that, we can go ahead and click save. And there we go. So now, let's head over to the bottom here, scroll down, and click on Add Apps. Now click on View More in the bottom right. And from here, you're just gonna want to search up digital downloads, or you can just click it right here. Now, you can use any of these, but I recommend you use Filemonk. So now you want to hit install. Then you will be redirected to Shopify. From here, just click install. Now wait for it to finish installing. Alright, once it's done installing, you're gonna wanna select one of these options down here. I'm just going to select Search on App Store. And after that, you're gonna click Get Started right here, this black button, although you can't really see it. Now here, you're going to select your plan. Let's go ahead and select Free. And this plan will allow us to sell 30 digital products per month. So now scroll down and hit subscribe. Now let's go back to the left hand side and click on Digital Products under Filemonk. Now click on Add Product. And click on your product from earlier, which will show up right here. Scroll down. Then click on Create File from Link. Now type in the name of your product. Now paste the link you copied earlier from Canva and hit Create. After that, head back to the previous page . And as you can see, our product is now right there. So when someone purchases your product, that link will be sent to them in which they can use your template. Now click on Filemonk again in the left hand side. Then click on Enable Email Delivery. So your link will be automatically sent to the buyer once they purchase your product. So you just want to turn this option on. And that's it. You're pretty much done. There are more options in the bottom that you can customize. Like for example, the email, you can customize it. As well as the download page, your page widget, and more. So now we can head over to products. And as you can see, our product is now active and it is currently buyable. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.